Hello everyone, welcome back to the Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. On the continuation of my fifth lecture today, let's take a quick peek at how you would save an Excel document. So here I'm going to elaborate just minor important points where you can just pay attention and just see that how or what all different ways you can save your Excel document. So this is something I'm going to recommend as you go deeper and deeper inside this course and we get into various features and start creating our own workbooks, adding data to it, creating spreadsheets and pivot tables and so on that you save pretty regularly, and you want to make sure that nothing goes wrong, nothing crashes, and you don't want to lose your work. So right off the bat, let's take a look at saving. That's really simple, just saving. So I don't have any data in here just yet, but we can imagine that hey, we have now created this super awesome spreadsheet. Now I want to save it to my computer or save it out to the network drive, whatever it might be. But so inside of Excel, I'm just going to go to the file tab here, okay, and top of the screen. So if you see here under the file tab, inside the file tab down the left hand side, you have got all the sorts of links here, and we are going to talk about several of these as we continue through this course. Okay, I have got an option for save and an option for save as at this point of time because this is a brand new workbook. I haven't saved it before, so these two buttons are going to do the exact same thing. If I click on save as, also you get the same option. If you click on save also, you get the same option because this is a brand new workbook and I haven't saved it yet in my computer. Okay, so I can hit on save. This is going to take me to my save as command, and in here I can go browse locations that I want to save this to. Now because this is Microsoft Office application, you can get locations such as SharePoint if you do have a SharePoint environment. I have got my own Drive account and I have got other locations as well. Here I'm just gonna go ahead and say browse. Okay, I will give that a click and this will open up my folder. Okay, so here I can see that the folder explorer on my computer or a save as window, and here I can go navigate my computer to there where I could save that somewhere on my computer, and here I've got my file name. If you see here book1.xlsx, right, you can call it whatever you need to, and I've got my file type save as type. Right now, just a quick little bit of information about the file type. Remember, we are working inside an Excel, so we have an Excel workbook. You see here, if I save this right now, I'm going to save an Excel workbook. This receives a .xlsx extension. That's the file type, the file extension. Now, just as an FYI, Excel also has few other file types, but another common one is just XLS. When 2007 edition of the Microsoft Office suite came out, all the Office application, Excel, Word, PowerPoint and so on, they changed the file extensions. So prior to 2007, Excel used to be .xls, an Excel spreadsheet. Now it's .xlsx. All the Office applications got X at the end of it, basically. So PPT-X for PowerPoint or DOC-X for Word and XLSX for Excel. But there are several other types here. If I go and click on the save as type, you see that there are several different options of documents that I can save this out as our different types of documents, right? So you go to the file tab, I can hit the arrow button here, right? I go to the file tab again, then go down into save or save as, Then I go browse to the location that I want to save this to and give it a name. I will give it book 1 and I want to save it in desktop, and then just click on save it. I'm good to go now. So this is saved in book 1. Okay. Alright, so now later on, after you have saved this document, save option. So once save as is done, now whenever you work more on this document, just save option will just override the previous addition and you get to save your work. So it will just overwrite whatever you have saved just now. I will if I do have a save as with an existing document, this will allow me to rename the document to something else, and that way I get multiple copies of that one document, right? So that's what is the difference between the save and the save as command. Save will help you to override or directly save it to the previously saved document, and save as will, even if it is saved, if you will click on the save as button, it will allow you to rename that document, and you can save the multiple version of that document in multiple places of your computer. That's the basic difference. All right, getting that simple, and it's just inside the file tab. Going in there, you get your save commands right there. All right, so try it out. We haven't really done a whole lot just yet, but this will give you an opportunity to jump into the application, go to the file, save, give it a name, save it on your computer someplace, and you could trash it later, as we really haven't done anything with it yet. So yeah, that is how you can do your exercise and get some hands-on on the application. But this is how you could save your document. All right, that's it from my end for this lecture, for this session on saving the document. Later on we'll come up with the next lecture on the different topics, and we'll gradually go deeper into the application. Till then, thanks for watching this tutorial, and if you really liked it and enjoying this journey of learning, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and we'll meet up soon with the next video. If you have any questions, any concerns related to this session, do let me know in the comment section of this video, and I will surely make sure that I'm answering all your questions. Till that time, thank you, goodbye, and take care.